Welcome to Tamil Nadu, a land where tradition meets progress, nestled at the southern tip of India. Surrounded by the Indian Ocean on the east and south, and bordered by Kerala, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu is rich in culture, nature, and education. But Tamil Nadu isn't just about nature. It's also a growing hub for nursing education. A nursing degree opens doors to incredible career opportunities, both in India and abroad. Career paths after nursing include staff nurse, industrial nurse, department, supervisor, nursing, superintendent, military nurse, community health nurse, teacher of nursing.